Actually, Michael, we're not in Kibra constituency. We have since moved, just trying to get a spot check and a feel of the area and the region. We're now in Langata constituency at Uhuru Gardens Primary School. And this is one of the centers that has quite a number of stations. And as far as polling centers, the classrooms. So we're just going to show you around to have a look. I can count from where I'm standing right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And really not much going on. Very quiet, very low turnout. But then again, early days, as many would put it, it's just 7:30 a.m. Michael, remember last time this was also one of the regions I covered on the 8th of August. And the turnout, as of this time, the queues were quite long. In fact, what was happening was a lot of confusion around which classroom or center specifically, because for many people, they knew their polling station to be Uhuru Gardens. But then you come in here and they'd all been separated in terms of the classrooms, the areas of the centers where to be able to vote. So not much happening, Michael. Just to paint for you a picture, and perhaps let's just get into one of the centers. Behind me, we're talking to one of the officers earlier, the presiding officers there. Who was telling us about the situation and what her experience has been today. So, as you can see, this is a lot of what has been happening. Officers and the officials managing the exercise. Not much to do on this drizzly voting day, the 26th of October. So, here is the room where the exercise is set to be taking place. Presiding officer, thank you so much for making time for us. Let's just have a quick word. Talk to us about what has happened, if at all, so far.
The voting started well at 6 o'clock. We are doing well so far, and the voters are coming in. We are electronic, 100%, so everything is fine.
Have you had any challenges with any of the voters, any queries, security, anything?
No challenges.
All right. Yeah. So everything is going on as it should. All right, and there's one voter who's just come in. Let's just have a look at that voting exercise. Michael, just wanted to show you again what is going on. This is Langata constituency, just neighboring Kibra, where we were just a few moments ago. So again, low turnout. It's early on, but a few people still walking in. Let's get out, see if we can manage to get a word with one of the people out here. Hello, sir. I wonder if you can just speak to us briefly. Yeah. You've decided to come out to vote. Talk to us about that.
Just to exercise my democratic, as part of Kenyans, these are the things that you should take part in. Yeah. So I felt that irrespective of anything, I need to come in, just exercise the right as a Kenyan, as a citizen, to vote.
You voted on the 8th of August. If you did, what do you make of the situation throughout until now?
I was unable to vote last time. I did not vote. Yeah. But I think we, irrespective of anything, the votes, if you look at the codes, there's still a chance to vote. Yeah. So for me, the chance has been, if there is no, if anything cannot stop me from voting, then I'll just go ahead and do my part. Do my part. Yeah.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, sir. So that is one of those who was not able to vote on the 8th of August. So this is in essence a second chance to be able to exercise their democratic rights. So Michael will continue traversing, and as we get to various parts of this region, we'll continue to keep you posted on what is going on.